Tafanio muthenya wa ira ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition igitongorio ni Raila Odinga riu mumbuge wa Mbeere ya rugongo Geoffrey Ruku ni athiete kana ni ugite ati riu ni gutamania ndereti na makiria nyumba-ini ya iciriro itemini ria gutigirira ati ni magathika mawatho maria megutigira nimo marirumagiriro hindi ya gutafania mirurugano na makiria itemini ria gutigirira ati indo cia muingi itina kuruikia na gwakiria hindi igongona ria gutuga aruto thukuru-ini wa Kiambu the Primary School ni athiete na mbere na kuga ati njira imwe ya gutigirira ati thirikari ni yagie na uigithiriki na makiria wathani-ini wayo ni gutigirira ati mirurugano iratafanio na makiria ni honge itiganite ni akorwo ya thayo no endetia guthukangia indo cia muingi.
And demonstrations which we are seeing today in different towns in the Republic of Kenya is because they are leaders who have been in government, in unshake government, and they destroyed the economy of the Republic of Kenya through edible oils, leaders who constructed policies which they ended up buying companies like Bidco and Menegai. And because the government of William Samoei Ruto has come up with the policy of ensuring the prices of edible oils have gone down, that is why we have maandamano and demonstrations in our towns today. It's not because of democracy. It's not because of human rights. It's not because of high cost of living. It is because they are businessmen who have been in government, in senior positions, in last government, and now their business are not doing good as they used to do. I want to ask the Speaker of the National Assembly and the Committee of Justice and Legal Affairs of Parliament to fast-track as quickly as possible. When we go back to Parliament on 25th of July, we start debating that bill in Parliament so that it can become law as soon as possible. We regulate the way the demonstrations are done in the Republic of Kenya. Demonstrations are supposed to be peaceful. They are not supposed to destroy property. They are not supposed to roll the inconvenience any other person kuendesha biashara yake kwa njia yoyote. Watu wamegonjeka waweze kufika hospitalini, juu kuna transport system. Watu ambaye wanataka kwenda kufanya biashara waende wafanye biashara na wewe uandamane. That is what our constitution envisions.
Maya mokete kana